Okay. So you're going to put this in your notebook. Okay, so today we're combining all the different spheres that we learned about, putting them all in one to see how they all interact with each other. So first off, we're going to be drawing a cloud to represent the atmosphere. So that's the recent documentary that we just watched with all the videos. So atmosphere is everything that's in our air. We'll draw first and then we'll take some notes later. So you can draw, if you draw clouds a little differently, feel free to do so. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. It's okay if you think you're not the best artist. We're just drawing this for our notes to help us remember. It's not about if it's good or bad. It's just going to help you learn. And then so now we're drawing the arrows to show that the other different spheres will interact with the atmosphere. So if you need it rewinded, if it's going too fast, let me know. If it's going too slow, you want to speed it up, let me know. So make sure you leave some space too, so that we can write our notes later. You know how they left blank spaces? Can I send the YouTube link to you? So then try your best, and then at the end, we'll take a group picture of our work too. So now they're drawing the hydrosphere. So we're going to represent that using the ocean tides. But the hydrosphere is any part of the earth that has water. Then now we're going to draw the geosphere. So that's um, like the land part of the earth, the rocks, mountains, volcanoes, soil. Okay, so now they're labeling the water part. That's the hydrosphere. And then the biosphere we'll draw later. That would be here. So biosphere is anything that's living, that's like plants, animals, us. Then over here, this geosphere. And then up here, the atmosphere. Okay, so in the middle, they're going to draw a bird, but if you want to pick something else to draw, that's fine too. It could be any other animal. It could be us humans. It could be a plant. Up to you what you want in this middle area. Okay, that's it. I'll give you. Okay, so I'll give you like 3 minutes to finish up, and then we'll take our group picture, and then we'll start on our notes. If you're already done, you can start coloring, and I'll try to give you time to color later too. Okay, so 2 more minutes, and then we'll take our group picture. Okay, we ready to share? Just you don't have to show your face. You can just put it on the screen. Put your work on the screen. So we can take a group picture. Do we need more time? Let me know in the chat you need more time. Okay, so put your work up on the screen so that I can take a screenshot of it. So that we take. All right, nice. Isidro. Nice. Cool, 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 cool. Nice. Okay, let's go, everyone. Let's go, so I can take a picture. It's okay if it's not done. Just maybe we can do one without coloring first, and then one with coloring. Beautiful. Oh, that's cute. Is that a ghost? I love that. Let's see, Xer. All right, nice, nice. Whoa. Okay, I see you drop plant Beston. Nice. Wait, Dylan, put yours up again. I can see it. Is that a turtle or flower? Nice. Okay, now let's everyone put theirs together so that we can take a group one. Nice. Try move it in a little bit more. So, yeah, almost. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture in 5, 4, 3, 2. Isidro, where's your picture again? Invest in. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, nice bird, Ethan. Ooh, Jordan. Wow, nice. Nice. Isidro, let's see your cute little ghost. All right. Wow, such great artists in this class. Wow. Okay, wait. Okay, taking a picture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. Great job, everyone. Okay, now we're just gonna add a little bit of notes. Let me see yours, Will. Nice. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna add some. Yours looks like a donkey. That's fine. A donkey is living. Okay, first let's add this to our notes. The atmosphere, that's everything that's, let me change this real quick. That's related to the air. That includes wind. That includes that includes the oxygen that we breathe in, and nitrogen. Oopsies. And also the ozone layer. That's a layer that's outside the earth that protects us from like UV rays from the sun, and it protects us from, let's say an asteroid was coming, and then the ozone layer would be powerful enough to kind of break up the asteroid. So that's super important. But unfortunately, with the more carbon dioxide that's released, the more it kind of destroys our ozone layer. So that protective barrier that we have is slowly decreasing over time the more carbon dioxide is in released. And carbon dioxide will be in here too. So anything that's related to the air. Atmosphere, that's our first element. Yeah. So write this down too. Then we have the hydrosphere. That's everything that's water. So that's our oceans. That's also lakes, rivers, even the groundwater that's underneath the earth. And then our glaciers, the ice that you would see at the Antarctic. So if you recall one of the documentaries we watched about the frozen world, and that would be called the cryosphere. So that's the frozen portion of the water of the hydrosphere. So some people include it as part of the hydrosphere because it's a frozen part of the water, but some scientists think of it as a different sphere because it's a different environment, completely different from the ocean or any other bodies of water. So, two different perspectives on it. I'm going to draw it real quick too. Let's see. Let's make a text box for it. And no, I typed it wrong. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, I'm gonna draw maybe like an igloo to represent the ice. If you know how to draw ice, like the polar Arctic thing, that'd be cool too. Just draw a little igloo. Okay, that's my attempt at an igloo. Okay, let me add one more. Now we're going to move on to the geosphere. So if we think of it in the sense of elements, that's like the earth element. Geosphere is everything related to the land on the earth. So that includes like rocks. Remember, we learned a lot about the different types of rocks. What else is part of the earth? Mountains, like what we have right now. Volcanoes, soil, or different minerals that we learned about, right? Different metals. We spent like 2 or 3 units on the geosphere. So this is where all the units kind of come together, and we kind of see how they interact with each other. Sand, even the Earth's core and the mantle, like the flowing lava underneath, all part of the geosphere. So far we have 1, 2, 3, kind of 4. Biosphere I put down here. Okay, so biosphere is everything that's living. That's what's in the center. Live. So example to be plants, animals, insects, humans. So let's see. So I'll give you an example of how the water hydrosphere interacts with the atmosphere. So the water evaporating into the air, right? And it becomes water vapor in the air, right? So it's going, so that's what this arrow shows. If you think of the opposite, the atmosphere interacting with the hydrosphere, that's the clouds condensating and raining down, right? So it's like reversed. Whatever's in the air becomes water. An example of maybe like the biosphere interacting with the hydrosphere. Maybe the birds are drinking water, taking it in. Us, we're taking in water from like maybe the lakes. Or us interacting with the atmosphere, us breathing in oxygen. Let me put that down too. Human breathing in oxygen. You know, the reverse. We're breathing in oxygen and then we're releasing carbon dioxide. Wait, let me just reverse that then. Because that's the atmosphere going into us. And then the reverse, bio, us releasing carbon dioxide, so us breathing back into the atmosphere. Humans. Okay, and then let's do an example of the geosphere. The geo interacting with the atmosphere. So that's this arrow going up. Oop. It, so some people like would mine oil, for like gas and stuff for our cars. So in order to do that, oil wells would burn the fossil fuels underneath the earth. So that's interacting with the land. And when they do that, which releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Let's do an example down here. With the hydrosphere. Let's do hydro to bio. Not bio, geo. So, like what we've learned before with erosion and water bringing pieces of rocks and depositing it somewhere, and then starting to build up the sediment rocks until we get these rock structures. So rivers depositing sediment rocks to form bigger. That was time. Okay, there we go. That's better. Oops. Okay, so that'll be it for the notes, and I'll leave it up for. If you still need to see it, I'll leave it up. Let me try to make it bigger. If you're done, you can start coloring them in.